Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the mean and standard deviation using Excel. So the first thing we're going to do is type in the numbers. So we have the numbers 1 through 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So after you type in your numbers, you want to click on the button up here that says Data. So I'm going to left click on Data. Good stuff. Then you want to go over to the Data Analysis key. So this is a tool pack. You can easily add this if you don't already have it by going to Files, Options, and then Manage Add-ins. So I'm going to assume that you have this already for the purposes of this video. So let's go ahead and click on Data Analysis. Then we want to click on where it says Descriptive Statistics. So we'll left click on that and then just click OK. Good stuff. Now it wants the input range. So the way I like to do it is I left click here and then just hold the mouse down and then just drag it all the way down, then let go of the mouse. Good stuff. So you see it's A1 through A10. Click OK. Whoops. Looks like I forgot to click what we need. So you want to click on Summary Statistics and then click OK. And there you have the answers. We now have the mean right here, 5.5, and the standard deviation right there, so 3.03. I hope this video has been helpful.